Hello and welcome to Counseling 100, Success Strategies for the Reentry Adult. My name is Connie Perez and I will be your instructor for the next 8 weeks. Some of you are returning to college after being out for a few years, and some of you, this is a whole entire new experience. I also have in this class new students and continuing students, so there'll be a range of students in the class and I welcome all of you. This class is designed to empower you with tools that will assure you success in college. We will cover many topics ranging from motivation, creative and critical thinking, study strategies, campus resources, how to take notes, how to study for exams, and many, many more. I want to encourage you to please take some time and get familiar with the Canvas shell and make sure that you read all the information in the welcome module. Also, please read the syllabus and calendar and keep a planner to keep track of all of your assignments throughout the next 8 weeks. I am here to help you in any way I can. I'm here to answer any questions. All you have to do is email me, and I'm looking forward to getting to know all of you, and I wish you a wonderful spring semester.